And that's the most important place at the airport. Bar.
Excellent.
Okay, so if I put the heading straight ahead, that's my heading bug, and I turn the autopilot on, that to 2.5, which is where we want to be. Turn the autopilot on, it starts off in wings level, that's what roll means, and vertical speed, which is, the vertical speed is 0 at the moment.
Okay.
I want it to follow my heading, so this is the test I do. Stick it into heading mode, and then if I wind my heading to the left, the controls go left.
Yep.
I wind it to the right, controls will go to the right. I can either turn it off here or turn it off.
Clear to the apron.
Moorabbin ground, Cessna 172 Bravo Sierra Victor in the southern run-up bay, received Oscar for city orbits, runway 35 left, request taxi clearance.
Bravo Sierra Victor, this is Moorabbin ground. Could you call the briefing office please about SARTIMEs?
Okay, I'll do that now. Moorabbin ground, Bravo Sierra Victor, I'll try that again. Received Oscar, runway 35 left for city orbits, request taxi clearance.
Bravo Sierra Victor, taxi holding point Alpha 8, runway 35 left.
Holding point Alpha 8, runway 35 left, Bravo Sierra Victor. Moorabbin Tower, Cessna 172 Bravo Sierra Victor, ready, Alpha 8, 35 left for city orbits.
Bravo Sierra Victor Tower, clear for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff, Bravo Sierra Victor. Now the little plane following us down that taxiway is Doreen.
Right.
Friend of mine, owns her own plane.
Okay.
Okay, so line her up on the arrows. And straighten and full power.
Moorabbin Tower, helicopter Tango, Juliet Tango, at Academy at 1,500, inbound to the southern pad, received Oscar.
Tango Juliet Tango Tower, okay, if you are at the Academy, you're on the wrong frequency, contact east, 118.1.
50, 55.
Contact east, 118.1.
Now we've got a crosswind from the left.
Moorabbin Tower, Uniform Foxtrot Sierra, ready, runway 35 left for a local flight to the south, and then receive Oscar.
Uniform Foxtrot Sierra Tower, airborne traffic Cessna is departing northwest, clear for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff, traffic noted, Uniform Foxtrot Sierra.
Here's the city. So no traffic to my right, no traffic to my left, no traffic ahead. Keep climbing. Essendon Tower, Cessna 172 Bravo Sierra Victor, approaching Albert Park Lake 1,500, requesting one right-hand city orbit.
Bravo Sierra Victor, Essendon Tower, seat right city orbit 1,500. Traffic is a Cherokee just north of MCG. We'll be tracking for another city orbit, same level.
Copy the traffic, and that's with Foxtrot, Bravo Sierra Victor.
Bravo Sierra Victor.
It's crazy they let us this close to the city.
Oh, I'm absolutely astounded by it.
You should have Flemington Racecourse and stuff out there, Essendon Airport.
Yep.
Up there.
Yep.
Is that other aeroplane we're following is just below the peak on the horizon. The beeping's just telling us we're 1,000 foot off what our setting for the autopilot is. Multi-bridge is...
Apollo 30, how long do you need in that area?
1 to 2 orbits, Apollo 30.
Apollo 30, thanks, okay, and then as soon as you finish, if you get track eastbound, thanks.
Apollo 30 with Wilco.
Getting bounced up and down a little bit, so I'm up 100 feet too high.
Okay. Amazing how close to the ground you feel.
See against the mountains, the other aeroplane? Over there to the right. Just go on over the horizon, that's alright.
Bravo Zulu Alpha completed airwork.
Bravo Zulu Alpha, control service terminated.
Control service terminated. Bravo Zulu Alpha, thank you.
The MCG over here.
Yeah, awesome. It's great, don't it, with Amy Park in the background and
Yep.
going all the way around there.
Yep. I'll go just so that the MCG passes down your side.
Right. How it becomes an obsessive pastime.
Sierra Victor, traffic 2 miles south, 1,300 unverified westbound.
Copy traffic and looking, Bravo Sierra Victor. Copy the traffic, a red helicopter.
Bravo Sierra Victor, and there's another one about a mile south of that, eastbound 1,400 unverified.
Traffic sighted, Bravo Sierra Victor.
Bravo Sierra Victor, thanks, control service terminated.
Control service terminated, Bravo Sierra Victor. Okay. So we're going to go to a different transponder code and climb. And now I'm going to listen on 1357.
1200 is the Yankee.
Okay, so that magenta line is where at Albert Park Lake there. That's where it would be south.
Oh, gotcha, yep.
Okay.
So they're the coordinates you put in before, right?
I'm going to climb now.
It's absolutely astounding how close you're allowed to just fly around the city as a recreational.
Yeah, it's great.
Awesome. We're doing that in America.
Apollo 30's finished your request back to Essendon.
Apollo 30, track eastbound for about a mile and I will advise.
Apollo 30's tracking eastbound.
I'm not too worried about my best rate, so I'm doing a cruise climb about 90 knots instead of that 75.
Okay.
And it's controlled airspace above us at 2,500, so I don't want to bust through that.